All right, what we got here, guys, is we got a 2014 Camaro brought to us by Bill Moore. He's an SCCA racer here locally. What we wanted to bring to you guys is you guys asked for it, so we wanted to bring it to you, was a muffler delete for the 2010 to the new Camaro. With one simple cut of the OEM exhaust, you can delete the muffler, go to a 4-inch double wall slash cut tip, and it's a simple installation. Honestly, the installation should take more than 25 minutes from start to finish. Gives a car a great sound at a very reasonable and affordable price. You ready?
Coming at ya!